So guys, here it is, the LS3 VN Commodore. Painted in the beautiful Absence yellow, mini tubbed, big radials under the back, shaved engine bay, and those beautiful weld wheels. From every angle, this car is tough.
But Barry, it's not just the looks. Under the bonnet is a 6.2 litre LS3 with 620 horsepower. This car has already been proven. It's already run at 10-second pass.
Back in the power plant is a Turbo 400 with a bulletproof rear end. No expense spared at all. This thing puts the power to the ground beautifully.
If you want stance, sound and power, this car's for you. It's going to turn every head.
Valued at $75,000, this car stacks up with any, and it's going to be one of yours, but there's only one way for that to happen. You guys know what to do. Good luck.